Look at Misty. Misty came to visit us. She was our last puppy, and now she's Emmy's puppy. Misty. 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 Hey. Puppy Misty.
Thank you.
Misty. Hi. Hi, baby girl. Is that your mama?
Like everyone says, it's not like me at all. Everybody was trying to kiss, and I really just felt pressured, and I didn't want to It's really not like me. I'm not a home wrecker.
Are you going crazy, Sadie?
Nice.
Especially your friend.
Now get Misty happy again.
Misty. Misty.
Misty, by the way, is the little tiny puppy with the pink collar on. The rest are ours.
I hate eliminations more than
Get him. Get him.
Are you good, puppy?
She says, nah, I just bite you. Look at her. She's just...
Get her all riled up again, honey.
Look at him. Look at him. What do we do? What do we do?
Misty!
She's
Misty!
She's like, I'm trying. Nobody wants to play.
She keeps trying to play with Sadie, Mama, but Sadie don't play.
So cute. You're so cute.
Call Jazzy over there, honey.
Jazzy.
Hi. How you doing?
She keeps trying to play with Sadie. Oh, little puppy bitch slap. Are you giving her a little puppy bitch slap? It's a little puppy bitch slap.
My puppy, that was just
Sadie. Oh, Sadie.
Misty really wants to play with Sadie, but Sadie don't play.
Play, Sadie, play.
In general, she doesn't play much.
Play, Sadie.
She's never really been a player. You know, she was abused when we got her. It took us over a year to get her to, like, not be terrified every time you touched her. So she doesn't, like when the puppies get playful, a couple of times we caught her playing with them, but not much.
Misty's kind of a set hog. She's like, I'll
Yeah,
just
she
lay over
is.
there. I'll look at her trying to fight his
Big girls, big girls.
You get your suppers.
Get him, money, get him.
Look, I got a tummy rub. Tummy rub. Tummy rub.
Let's get her.
Into a brilliant career. What will inspire you? Find out at the Art Institute. Call 1-888-84-CREATE.
She's like, ah!
It's okay, Jazzy.
She's like, oh my goodness.
It's okay, puppy.
She's like, I did it too hard.
Playing, just playing. Just playing, Jazzy. Play, play, play.
Honey, how did you have Misty running around a minute ago?
Jasmine had her running around. Well, they were all chasing.
Uh-oh.
What's that, Misty, Misty, Misty?
Uh-oh, that's Sevy's baby. He's had that ducky since he came to live
Sevy, what's
here.
that? What's that, Sevy? Duckies? The duckies? There's duckies? There's duckies. Oh. Misty.
Misty's like, if I could, I'd get in there. But look at that. She's more interested in getting you.
Derek's watching his favorite show, Paris Hilton.
Ready? 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 song. Go get it.
Oh, did you hear that growler? Don't touch my ducky.
Oh,
Oh, it's a tug of war. It's a tug of war. I got the middle.
It's a tri-tug-of-war. Oh, here she is, honey. Oh, running around you.
Out of control because
get it?
I got sent home because of that. I'm just gonna have to
I
accept it.
want that ducky, Sebby. I want that
It's
ducky.
sad to see Erika go home. I would have rather have been Caitlin because I don't feel like she's here for Paris. I think everyone's a little bit worried about her.
Derek caught me.
Caitlin, I'm curious. What are you doing?
Trying to convince people you like the Paris Hilton show.
He does like Paris Hilton. He's been right here watching.
I said
Oh,
that
oh,
you
look,
pulled the
look,
plug- the
look,
funding
Misty likes
plug.
it. Misty liked it.
Jazzy. Slow down, kid.
No,
Jasmine.
Oh.
Monica, I just wanted to show the guys a really good time. But you're only interested in showing them something else.
Oh, oh, come on, Jazzy, get it. Get it, Jazzy. Get it, Jazzy. Get it.
They're private.
Get it. Get it. Jump. Oh, get it. Jump. Jump. Get it. Woof. Woof.
The image from you last night is just burned into my brain.
Go get it.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Sebby, she got it.
Oh, Misty got it! Misty got it!
It's like, no, it's mine.
It's funny, all three.
She's in the middle. I got the juicy part. Like, hey, give it back, give it, hey, give it back. No, it's tasty.
I tried to take it
That's
this
perfect.
way. I told you stop acting like it.
Misty,
Now look
Misty,
at you're eliminated.
Misty, like balls? Misty.
Bye-bye. One less girl I have to worry about.
Go get
She
it.
has a,
She can't
First
stop.
one on it. She probably can't pick it up.
No.
It might be a little heavy.
Mama's
Here they come.
Good puppies. Good puppies.
Where'd Misty go?
Misty.
Come back.
Misty.
She didn't come back, did she?
Because what is it?
Guys, I'm sorry that was really brutal, but after watching her last night, I don't know. I want to be associated with someone like
Sebby,
that.
get it. Sebby got it.
You, because I think you're
Sebby
sweet.
got it.
And I know it's hard sometimes. I've had a lot of girls.
Oh, you
And
give me
you
attitude?
sometimes. I don't want to get to know you. Alright,
Look at, she's still after them. She's still after that
She's still after the duck.
It's like, I still want the duck.
and I think it's because
Go get it, Misty, go get it!
Oh, oh.
She's
Can't
gonna come
stop.
back with it, watch.
No,
No,
can't carry
too
it.
heavy. Get the ball. Go get the ball, Jazz. Go get the ball, Sebby.
Sebby will get it.
Get the ball, Sebby. Good boy.
Where are you going?
Babies!
Best thing now!
No.
Right in that same spot there.
Come here. Come here. Look at her. She's like,